Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create Facebook pixel and connect it with your website by Google Tag Manager. So in the previous lecture or tutorial, I showed you how you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your your website. So after connection of Google Tag Manager to website, now we want to create a Facebook pixel and connect it to your website through Google Tag Manager. So at first, let's go to Facebook Business Manager to create a dataset ID. Previously, it is called Facebook Pixel, but now it is called dataset. So let's go to Business Manager. I have opened it earlier. So after visiting your Business Manager, if you have to click data sets under your data sources. Here, through the add button, you have to name your pixel. So we can put our website name. So here is my website. After naming your website, click create. We have created our dataset ID, basically Facebook pixel, if you know what it means. Then we have to copy the ID. After copying the ID, we have to go to Google Tag Manager, and through the Google Tag Manager, we have to go tags. Then click new, and we have to find a tag configuration. So at first you won't find anything, so for that we have to search, discover more tag types in the tag community. Now search Facebook. So we have to install this template gallery, Facebook pixel, and click add to workspace. Then click add. Yeah, we are done. So here we have to put our Facebook pixel ID. So let's paste it here and name this Facebook pixel. Sorry, Facebook. Let's name this page view tag. So after setup Facebook pixel, the basic setup, we will also send a page view event to our Facebook page. Sorry, Facebook event manager, or Facebook basically, for Facebook ads. Then click triggering and select all pages. That means uh, the Facebook page event will send to Facebook after visiting any page. That means all page of the website. Now click save. Okay, so we have done our Facebook pixel setup with the page view event setup. So we have to submit this. Just name it Facebook pixel setup with page view. Page view means any people visit any page, it will send the data to Facebook. That's it. Click publish. This is just a version system to track what we done in our tag manager. Now go to workspace and from this let's go to event manager. Okay, so this is our website. Copy it and let's click preview, and from here also go to test event in the event manager. Then in the confirm that your website events are set up perfectly correctly, so click here and put your website address and click open. Okay, so click connect. Let's see what happened. Okay, it is connected, and we can see on a text fired after visiting a page of our website, that is called Facebook page view tag. That means our Facebook page pixel just installed, and also the page view yes, Facebook event also just fired. That means here in the Facebook event manager we can also see that our page view event just came, and with this setup our Facebook pixel also installed perfectly. That is how you can install the page view event and also set up the Facebook pixel ID or dataset ID, whatever you say. So stay tuned to get this kind of tutorial later, and subscribe. Thank you very much.